Peace be upon you all, my dear friends. Welcome to a new episode filled with reflection, emotion, and lessons drawn from the real stories of ordinary people, stories that touch the heart and remind us that life is full of signs for those who pay attention. So sit back, open your heart, and let's begin today's journey together. The title of today's story is The Day Jinn Burnt Our House. What would you do if the calm, familiar walls of your home suddenly turned into a place of fear, and you had no idea why? Tonight's real story will show you how one small action sparked a nightmare no one expected. Some stories stay with you because they remind you how fragile we are, how one moment can change a family forever. This is one of those real stories. Our story today is from the Kuwaiti book, The World of Jinn from Reality by Mohammed Al-Fahad. It is one of the real stories people never forget. The events took place in Kuwait in 1995. The writer's friend Majid picked him up to visit their friend Ahmed, who had a strange experience that he, his family, and his brother, Saad, lived through. Ahmed, in his 20s, welcomed them and began. They lived in an old two-story house in Sulabikit. Their life was normal until Saad poured hot water into a drain. After that, everything changed. They woke up to find their clothes thrown everywhere, sometimes torn. Plates and decorations fell and broke. Things disappeared. They thought it might be cats or the little sister, but the problems continued. One night, Ahmed's mother heard voices from the bathroom. The father checked but found nothing. Another night at 2 a.m., the mother tried to enter the bathroom. Someone inside said, "It's me, Mona." But Mona was asleep in her room. When the mother and father checked again, the bathroom was empty. Days later, the bathroom caught fire. The washing machine and the maid's room burned. Firefighters came but found no cause. 2 days later, the bathroom burned again, also without reason. The father decided they must leave. They stayed with their uncle until moving to a new house in Al Firdaus. They thought the jinn wanted them out of the old house, but the strange events continued. Saad screamed one night, saying his bed was burning, but there was no fire. Another time, the mother saw the curtains burning, then found nothing when the family came. They realized the jinn were attached to them, not the house. They moved again to Rumathia, far away, but the events followed. One night, Saad screamed. They found him on the bathroom floor, cold and sweating. He said a terrifying woman threatened to kill him. Black face, thick hair, long nails, red eyes. After that, Saad changed. He ate too much, stayed in the bathroom for long times, showered in his clothes, and shouted at his parents. He refused to hear Quran and broke the tape player. The father brought a well-known sheikh. When the sheikh read Quran, the curtains shook. The sheikh entered Saad's room. Saad shook violently and spoke in a strange voice. "What do you want? Why are you in our house?" The sheikh asked, "Why are you harming him?" Saad's voice turned into a woman's voice. "If you do not leave, I will kill you." 7 people held Saad down, but he was extremely strong. The sheikh continued reading. The woman said her name was Venus. She said Saad poured hot water on her while she was sleeping, and she wanted revenge. The sheikh told her he didn't see her and ordered her to leave his body. She refused until the sheikh warned he would burn her with Quran. She finally said, "I will leave. I will not return." The sheikh told her to exit through Saad's right foot. She left and Saad relaxed and slept. When he woke up, he didn't remember anything. The sheikh advised them to always play Quran, say Bismillah before pouring water, and avoid shouting or slamming things at sunset. This was one of the real stories that show the importance of faith and Quran. Here are 3 advantages, lessons, or benefits gained from the story. 1. The importance of protecting the home with Quran and remembrance. The family learned that regularly playing Quran and maintaining spiritual protection can prevent harm and bring peace back into the house. 2. The danger of pouring hot water without saying Bismillah. The story teaches caution and mindfulness even in everyday actions because unseen beings may be present and harming them unintentionally can lead to serious consequences. 3. The value of seeking help from knowledgeable, trustworthy scholars. When the family brought a respected sheikh who understood Ruqya, Islamic healing recitation, the situation changed. It shows the benefit of seeking proper guidance instead of panicking or relying on superstition. Subscribe now and join us for more real stories that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Comment below if you've ever experienced something unexplainable. We'd love to hear your real stories. Like and share this video to show others this unbelievable true story and help spread awareness.